Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Sharp. I am Michael, and this is Mary. And today is day 2 of our 30-day beginner speaking series.
Hey everyone, welcome back, and congratulations for coming back for day 2. That already shows that you are serious about your English, and we are so proud of you.
That is right, showing up every day is the most important thing you can do, and you are here, so let us celebrate that.
Today we are going to do something really fun and really practical. We are going to describe 5 things we can see around us in English.
This might sound very simple, but it is one of the most powerful exercises for beginner English speakers.
Because when you learn to describe the world around you in English, you start connecting the English language to your real life. And that is when English really starts to feel natural.
Let us get started. So, Mary, why is describing things around us so important for beginners?
Great question, Michael. So as a beginner, one of the biggest challenges is finding things to talk about in English.
Right? You want to practice, but you do not know where to start.
And the answer is always right in front of you. Literally, look around you right now. Everything you see is a speaking practice opportunity.
A chair, a window, a cup, a phone, a book, everything around you is an English lesson waiting to happen.
And when you practice describing real things in your real environment, your brain starts to automatically think of English words when you see those things.
So instead of seeing a window and thinking the word in your native language, your brain starts thinking window automatically in English.
That is the beginning of thinking in English, and it starts right here with this simple exercise.
Let us talk about some common mistakes beginners make when describing things in English.
Mistake number 1, only saying the name of the object without any description.
For example, just saying window instead of I can see a big window with white curtains.
Adding simple description words makes your English so much richer and more natural.
And it is great speaking practice too.
Mistake number 2, forgetting to use the article a or the before nouns.
This is very common for learners whose native language does not have articles.
For example, saying, I can see chair instead of I can see a chair.
We will talk more about this in a future episode, but for now, just remember to put a or the before most objects.
Mistake number 3, using very complicated vocabulary when simple words work perfectly.
You do not need to say, I can see an illuminated rectangular device for digital communication.
Just say I can see a phone that is perfect.
Simple and clear is always better, especially for beginners.
And mistake number 4, giving up when you do not know a word.
If you do not know the English word for something, try to describe it instead.
For example, if you do not know the word lamp, you can say, I can see a thing that gives light.
That is completely valid, and it is exactly what native speakers do when they forget a word too. All right, let us learn how to describe things around us in English, step by step.
Step 1, use the phrase I can see to start your sentences.
This is the most natural and simple way to describe what you observe around you.
I can see a window, I can see a chair, I can see a blue cup on the table.
Simple, clear, and perfectly natural in English.
Step 2, add one describing word to each object.
Instead of just saying, I can see a chair, try to add one adjective, one describing word.
For example, I can see a comfortable brown chair.
Or I can see a large, bright window.
Or I can see a small white cup.
See how much more interesting that sounds, and it only took one extra word.
Step 3, use these simple describing words to start.
Here are some easy adjectives that work for almost everything.
Big, small, large, tiny, old, new, clean, dirty, bright, dark, soft, hard, hot, cold.
These simple words can describe almost anything around you, and they are all very easy to remember.
Step 4, try to make a full sentence about each object.
Instead of just describing how it looks, try to add where it is or what it does.
For example, I can see a big brown wooden desk and it is next to the window.
Or I can see a small blue cup and it is full of hot coffee.
These fuller sentences are great speaking practice and they sound very natural. Step 5, describe 5 things in a row without stopping.
The goal is to keep speaking for at least 1 minute without stopping or translating.
Pick 5 things around you right now and describe each one with at least one sentence.
Do not worry about being perfect, just keep talking and keep the words flowing. Now here are your daily practice exercises for day 2.
Exercise 1, look around the room you are in right now and find 5 objects.
Write down their names in English if you know them, and look up any words you do not know.
Then say one sentence about each object out loud.
Exercise 2, go to a different room in your home and describe 5 new objects.
This helps you build vocabulary for different parts of your daily environment, like the kitchen, the bathroom, and the bedroom.
Exercise 3, go outside or look out your window and describe 5 things you see outside.
I can see a tall green tree, I can see a red car, I can see a blue sky with white clouds.
Nature and streets give you so many new vocabulary words.
Exercise 4, record yourself describing 10 objects in your home.
Listen back and notice which words came easily and which ones you need to practice more.
Exercise 5, draw a simple picture of your room and label everything in English.
This is a fun and creative way to build vocabulary for your immediate environment. Now let us talk about the challenges you might face today.
Challenge number 1, you do not know the English word for something.
This is so common, and the solution is simple. Either describe it with words you do know or look it up quickly in a dictionary.
And remember, describing something you do not know the word for is actually very good speaking practice.
Challenge number 2, your sentences feel too short and simple.
Short and simple sentences are perfect for beginners. Do not feel embarrassed by them.
Every expert speaker started with short, simple sentences and built up from there.
Just focus on speaking clearly and adding one new detail each day.
And challenge number 3, you run out of things to say very quickly.
If you run out of things to say, just look more carefully at each object.
Instead of saying, I can see a chair, ask yourself, what color is it? What size is it? Where is it? What is it used for?
Every object has many things to say about it. You just need to look a little more carefully.
Wonderful work, everyone. You have completed day 2 of the Speak Sharp 30-day series.
Your homework tonight is to describe 10 objects in your home out loud before you go to sleep.
Tomorrow we come back for day 3, where we are going to talk about how you feel today in English.
Emotions and feelings are such an important part of English conversation, and we cannot wait to share that with you.
Keep practicing, stay sharp, and we will see you tomorrow.
This is Speak Sharp.